see. I'm really curious to see the quality, and I had a bit of fun. I ordered some work-related outfits that I can wear now and for my videos. Let's have some fun and see. Alright, what do we have here? The first item comes in the traditional plastic packaging. And afterwards I will try on all of these and talk about the sizes and the quality. So this is a career forward dress, and this can be worn. It comes with a nice belt. And I went for, the quality actually feels quite alright. It has a slit, some nice texture to it, and a nice cut. So I'll be really curious to see what this looks like on. But so far I'm definitely pleased with the overall quality of it. Okay, my next one is, it's also red. I hope it's not the same thing. I had a little bit of a red explosion. This is also really nice. It has a nice V-back as well. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of the wardrobe, the suits, and so I like to try to find pieces that definitely look like executive level tailored, and this definitely fits the bill, so I'm really excited to see what this looks like on. Ooh, so I had fun with color because I thought the prices were really, the prices on Boohoo I think are really reasonable, so I decided to get a bit more risky in terms of my color pieces because the cost wasn't too high. Oh, this comes with a nice belt with it, which is very nice. A belt can really give clothing a nice structured look to it and elevate the piece to a more executive. This is really nice. So here's another, and just see how with the belt and then the scallop detail on the flared sleeve, this is a really nice structured piece. So I'm excited to try on all of these for you as well. So this one, the final piece, is a really nice white piece, and this is just a nice, lovely, feminine top that can be dressed with jeans. You can wear it with jeans, it can be worn with a skirt, so I will surprise you as to what I will pair with this outfit. And now let's get to the try on. Show this in these are the shoes that I paired with this. Hopefully they will come up. Here you can hear my son in the background. I'll have to shut the door, but these are the shoes I paired with it, and I just went for a neutral color of flat. Obviously you can dress it up any way you like. Hopefully this gives you a little bit more of it. I'm just going to go up slowly. This is a snug dress. I ordered in my size, so I might want to order up. I don't have any type of panty shaper on, but I think I would definitely, if I was wearing this outside, I would put on a panty shaper with this. There's not a lot of breathing room in this dress. So here's the finished look. Here's the finished look. I really do like this dress. It does feel like power suiting. It is really snug. I feel like it lets everything show on it, which is, for the color, that makes it a bit, that takes away that element of being a power dress, because I think if I wasn't wearing a panty shaper and if I even put on just a few kilograms, I would be not able to get into this dress. So, but I think for the price, it looks a lot more of a higher quality than it is, especially if you compare it with a really high-end bag or just a nice smart looking bag. Hopefully I won't look too horrible in this for posting these videos, but I would consider ordering up. I don't think I'll order it in a size up. However, I ordered everything in a UK size 8 because that's the size that I wear. But I think with Boohoo, perhaps you need to go up even one more size to really get a fit into their clothes. But we'll see how these other pieces fit and go from there. I really like the fit of this. It is a bit snug like the first dress, but I wouldn't want to go up a size simply because then I would have actually too much room, especially up here. But I like how this peplum kind of goes over the belly, which helps hide that or gives you just room to breathe while still looking elegant. One thing that I do wish is there was that this had less of a slit, because I think that in some more conservative offices that this might not be seen as professional. But I think if you wore pantyhose and you wore a conservative heel, then it would be just fine. So here it is. This has the potential to be a really classy piece, and for the price I would say go for it. However, it's not a workwear piece simply because this slit goes up quite high and I honestly feel a bit exposed. I would much prefer it if this was just covered with fabric. Then this could be a really nice power piece that you could wear to the office and really kick it out of the ballpark in a meeting. However, if you're just being seen from the waist up, this would be a great dress to wear for those online virtual meetings. If you work in a more liberal type of office where this type of slit wouldn't make, or you're comfortable with it, then by all means you could wear this to work. And if you're wearing a nice support hose with it or some Spanx, you do have some coverage as well. I think this is also one of those work to evening pieces for when we can go out. This could easily be something that you can take for a date night. So the final piece of the video is the white shirt. This very feminine, it's very elegant, and I paired it with a skinny black denim. And I think the cut is really nice. The fit is comfortable. It fits really good as well. I'm wearing a camisole underneath, and it's up to you whether you want to wear something underneath it or a nice little bralette in the summer months. For me, this is a nice weekend piece, a nice going out to a farmer's market or going to the store, and it's something that's really simple, and you can actually, in the summer and the warmer months, you could dress it up with a nice cargo short or a denim short as well. I will also show you the heels that I think would look great in this, and then wrap this video up. This is the heel I think that would be fun with it. I think these are a classy, sexy heel, and this could be worn date night. And this could actually bring it up to office level. And this says on the top, this is really, I think, a great statement heel in the office. These heels are very comfortable. You could also pair it with a lower court shoe in nude, a nice beige color, or you could do a pop of color on it as well. Hopefully you saw the prices of all of the dresses, but I'll list them again here. The total cost for the items came to £45.60. So for 3 dresses and a blouse, I think that's a really incredible value. I am disappointed that it's really hard to get in and out of those dresses. One thing about tailored dressing and a bit more higher end clothing is that they do provide zippers so you can manage entry and exit much better. However, for trying out new colors, for trying out new designs, for seeing how you like a look on, for seeing how a certain design would look on you, I think this is a really great way. I love a power piece that says, for a woman, that keeps her feminine, and all the three pieces had those elements to me. I thought they were all classy, and they were and are all pieces that I will keep and wear. So, thanks again for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed my channel. I hope you enjoyed that today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my fashion and lifestyle channel. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Until next time, be well and be safe. Bye!